A bike computer in 2021, when you have your phone with you, is it still relevant? Why do I think that you need it? In this video, I intend to tell you everything about the Garmin Edge series and the 530 in particular, and whether you should get one. Hi to the Techie Fitness community. If you don't know me yet, I'm Yair and welcome to my channel. If you like running, cycling, swimming and fitness and excited about the technology that comes along with it, you came to the right place. Long time has passed since we met. Now I'm in my new office and I hope that you like it. So as a newbie cyclist, I consider whether should I invest in a bike computer or continue using my phone. While there are many apps which allows you to transform your phone to a data center for your bike, I found out that the Garmin Edge provides a far superior experience, and let me explain you why. But first, some technicalities. The Garmin Edge 530 is the mid-range bike computer offering by Garmin, and it is very similar to the 830. The main difference is the touchscreen in the 830 versus the 7-button layout in the 530. The price for the 530 is about $300 US. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. It weighs about 76 grams. It has a 2.6-inch screen and it is very readable in any weather conditions that I've tested. It has IPX7 water rating, which means that it can withstand rain and snow, so you don't have to worry about riding in it during the winter. I have to admit that even though I was skeptical at first, I can imagine going out for a ride without it. My main usage is of course the data screens. You have up to 8 data screens, including Maps and ClimbPro, which I will tell in about a second. Each data screen can contain up to 7 data fields. You have several bike profiles to choose from. Mine are road, mountain and indoor. Each profile has its own data screens. You can check out my main screen here. I like to know my current time, average speed, my current heart rate, the total distance, current cadence, duration and grade. You can connect your Edge to Training Peaks and Strava. You can also sync your Garmin Coach workouts. I found the button layout quite right to the point. At first, it took me a while to get used to so many buttons. Make sure that after you select the workout and the profile, you need to press the play button, otherwise the workout won't start. The play button is located on the bottom of the Edge. The battery of the Edge 530 lasts about 20 hours in GPS mode. What I really like about the Edge 530 is the mapping capabilities and the ClimbPro data screen. Every week I get from my coach the Saturday ride course. Then I upload it to my device. First I import the GPX file via Garmin Connect Web and then I sync the device with my phone. Now I can follow the route in my device. The ClimbPro is a very neat feature. It will automatically split all the planned climbs in your route. Now when you reach the climb, it will provide you of how many kilometers or miles have left, what is your current grade, and the graph of all the approaching climbs, how many meters or feet left in the climb, and more. Since I'm a newbie, I felt quite intimidated by each long climb, so the info of the ClimbPro really helped me in dealing with it. After you'll finish your ride, you'll be asked of how many calories have you consumed, how many bottles of water, and it will provide you with info of your balance of fluid and calories lost and gained. Also, you will get a detailed report of your current performance and how much rest you should get. If you're using an indoor trainer, you will get a graph of the efforts and it will accompany you while you're riding. The main downside that I found was the fact that most of the workouts are just synced in an unsorted list and I can't really tell which one is the workout of the day. And I also occasionally experience syncing issues with the courses. My general experience with the Garmin Edge 530 is a pleasant one. It is packed with all the training tools you need. It even has more spatial capabilities for mountain bikes, which I haven't tested yet. It gives you the peace of mind that you need due to the high readability in outdoors and the great battery life. The topo mats are fine and the ClimbPro is awesome. Sometimes it does have trouble syncing the routes and you get an annoying message that is hard to get rid of during the ride. If you like cycling and considering a bike computer, the Garmin Edge 530 is a great choice. It has everything you need without breaking the bank to buy a higher end model. And if you're a sweaty guy or girl like me, you'll appreciate more the physical buttons than the touchscreen of the 830. I know cycling and triathlon can be very expensive sports, so if you're unsure about buying a GPS watch and can't afford to buy a bike computer, my recommendation for you is to buy a cheaper model watch like the Chorus Space 2 and save the money for the Garmin Edge 530 instead of buying an expensive watch, since it will be your best buddy in your long rides. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section down below. Thanks again and have a great day.